Good afternoon and welcome to Daily Stock Market Update. The DCX extended its losing streak for the fourth consecutive day as it lost 30.6 points or 0.48% and settled at 6,361 points. Market turnover was BDT 8.75 billion, which is an increase of 9.61% compared to the previous trading day. Beximco Pharmaceuticals, Square Pharmaceuticals and Renata from the pharmaceutical sector, Al Arafa Islami Bank, IFIC Bank, National Bank, NRBC Bank and United Commercial Bank from the banking sector and ICB and IPDC Finance from the NBFI sector mainly dragged the market down today. All the sectors lost value today except the textile sector that gained 0.12%. The tannery sector registered the highest loss of 1.54%, while the IT sector posted the second highest loss of 1.12%. 5 general insurance companies, 4 NBFIs and 3 food and allied companies were among the top 20 losers today. Shanpukur Ceramics, Miracle Industries and Munnu Fabrics registered the highest gain, while One Bank, Indu Bangla Pharmaceuticals and Apex Tannery were the top losers. Investors exerted buying pressure on Munnu Fabrics even though the company disclosed today in response to a DSE query that there is no price-sensitive information behind its recent price and volume hike. One Bank and Indu Bangla Pharmaceuticals fell in value due to dividend adjustment as they resumed trading today after their record date. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Munnu Fabrics, Khan Brothers PP Oven and Osmania Glass Sheet increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase for the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. The interbank call money rate has exceeded 5% and reached a 2-year high due to the growing liquidity crisis in banks. Weighted average call money rate reached 5.02% this Monday, while the previous peak was 5.03% on 16 June 2020. Increased greenback purchase for import payments, rising government borrowing from banks to support deficit budget, and lower deposits in banks have escalated the liquidity crisis in the banking sector. Besides higher credit growth compared to deposit growth in the banking sector and rise in repurchase agreement rate have also contributed towards interbank rate increase. However, cash shortage in the banking sector may go up ahead of it if money supply does not increase in the coming days. Bangladesh Bank's report disclosed that default loans of non-banking financial institutions touched BDT 14,232 crore in the first quarter of 2022, which is an addition of BDT 1,216 crore or 9.34% from the last quarter of 2021. The report also stated that the defaulted loans increased to 20.63% of total outstanding loans distributed by institutions. After the loan moratorium facilities expire, many borrowers are unwilling to repay their debts and now many non-banking financial institutions' loan portfolios have 50% to 90% defaulted loans. That's all for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.